In this video, I'll show you how to connect Tally to Notion. First, sign into your Tally account and open the form you want to connect. Once you're in the form editor, click Integrations at the top of the page. Next, find Notion and click Connect. If this is your first time using the integration, sign into your Notion account and authorize Tally to access your workspace. After that, select the Notion database where you want to send your form responses. Match the form fields with the corresponding database properties to make sure the information is stored correctly. Now, save the integration and submit a test response through your form. Then, open your Notion database and confirm that the submission has been added as a new entry. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Tally to Notion. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.